This is Jim Shivers, Caltrans District 5 Public Information Officer. I'm near Highway 1 in San Luis Obispo County, the area known as Piedras Blancas, where our Caltrans Landscape Architecture Group has developed an innovative approach to removing non-native invasive plants. It involves the use of 300 goats that are literally chewing their way through this material. Caltrans District 5 landscape architect Catherine Brown, who's been spearheading this terrific project out at Piedras Blancas along Highway 1 in San Luis Obispo County. And Catherine, I know you're real proud of this project. A little background, how did this all come about?
Well, we finished the construction of the road realignment about 2 years ago, and we've been working on the vegetation control as part of the on-site project. And we discovered last spring, after about a year of the erosion control being down on the old alignment, that we had an infestation of burr clover, which was a new invasive we hadn't had here before. And goat grazing seemed to be the best, most cost-effective, and also sustainable method to control the invasives. Because we're using more of a natural method of grazing, we're not using as much fossil fuel, and Caltrans is very aware of these things, and we try to strive for new methods to take care of things that are good for the environment and good for the safety of the traveling public as well.
The field behind me has already been grazed by these goats, and the biggest benefit is to the bees that live in this area, as well as the wildlife that moves up and down this beautiful corridor. This is Jim Shivers with a Caltrans News Flash.